Hello and welcome to Shrimpy Pro. My name is Jade and today we will change the email address linked to our account. We can change the email linked to our Shrimpy Pro account at any time. To do this, go to Settings and then the General tab. Under Update Email, add the new email address, verify the spelling is correct, and then select Update. After selecting Update, Shrimpy Pro will send an email to the current email address for confirmation. Click the link contained in the email to verify the change. Once this is verified, the new email address will be linked. This is the email address that will be used to log in going forward. If you have any questions about changing your email or about Shrimpy Pro, please reach out to our support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.